Just show your face so everybody get an idea how monster you are. Long Pond, West Beach, Salt Marsh and Office. Huh. I have no idea where we are. Did we just go in a big circle? I don't think so. It said office. What does this sign say? Oh yeah. Deer moss is really a lichen. This dual plant is a fungus and algae that live together for mutual benefit. A fungus and an algae. The fungus supplies the algae with water and minerals. The algae contains chlorophyll and can use the sun's energy for photosynthesis. Deer moss is found primarily on patches of bare sand in dry or scrubby areas with frequent fires. Now, where would they be frequent fires? Nowhere in the planet should be frequent fires unless humans do it. The planet just don't frequently fire, so is deer moss a domesticated or has some kind of relationship with domestication? Okay, here we go. I have no idea where we're going, where we're at, or actually where we're being. Corundina, a member of the mint family, this small flowering scrub has a number of stiff, upright branches. The leaves are small, narrow blades that roll under. The white to lavender flowers have purple dots across the lower lip. It's commonly found in dry places such as dunes, scrub, and open pine flatwoods. Wow. Look at that. You guys see that? It's in the mint family. But that doesn't mean it prints money. You know, it's only the mint family ones do that. The mint ones. It's just in the family. This is the food segment of our show, and we would like to do a taste test and see what this is like. Let's try this. Go ahead. Put some in there. That's good. That's good. We just put this in the crock pot. Dried lemons and ham hocks. That's right. And apple pie. This concludes the food segment of our show. Okay, here we go. Here we go. A dead tree. Dead trees are trees that are dead, like this one. And you know what's good about dead trees? They have a special place in the forest. As the tree dies, insects begin to break down the tree while serving as food for other animals. The softer wood makes it easy for woodpeckers to make cavities, which serves as their home and nursery. These holes also used by other animals such as bats, bees, and snakes. Look at that. Dead tree. Now, look at this dinosaur grass. Look at it. Wetlands, plant communities that are sometimes covered by water, are called wetlands. What you see here is a freshwater wetland. Wetlands filter and purify water to replenish the underground water during flooding. Wetlands are also important for wildlife, providing shelter and source for food and water. I gotta add something here. I grew up here, and these are the most important things we can have, especially the ones that are right on the saltwater border. There'd be the saltwater, then a little strip of land, and then immediately fresh water. And depending on the tides and all that good stuff, those get broken. And then all of the water inside that freshwater area releases into the saltwater, and guess what goes with it? That's right, all the babies that were protected in the freshwater area. These waters are generally brackish because once the salt water goes up in there, it never leaves completely. And same with the freshwater side. The salinity of the water certainly isn't the same as if there was not a freshwater underground creek that lived in freshwater for the saltwater area and all the fish that go with it. Look at this! Look how pretty this is. Cattails, everybody loves cattails. They are hardy primary species of the wetlands around the world, growing in water from a quarter inch to 36 inches deep. Like other marshwater plants, they remove excess nutrients and chemicals from the water, helping to clear pollution. Growing in thick, nearly impenetrable strands, they can become a problem, reducing the number of other species and filling in open water. Cattails, baby. Gotta watch them cattails. I don't think that's indigenous to here, but what the hell. It's in the videos, in the swamp. Man, I don't think this platform is indigenous. I wouldn't be surprised if they hadn't selectively planted these plants so they would come up on this boardwalk. But nonetheless, this is beautiful and gorgeous. Awesome. I'm about to find out where we are. That's right. Coyotes, scavengers, eating dead rodents, rabbits. I mean, there's a lot of rabbits out here. I don't see any dead ones because these guys eat them. They're related to the gray wolf. Actually, they're a wolf. So here we go. Now I lied. This is the Big Lagoon. That other lagoon was Long Lagoon. That's why we didn't see the monster. The monster is right here, and we're about to see him. Yep. Here comes the monster. Brum, 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 brum. Okay. Do 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 do. Well, we'll be up, there's no wind, so we'll be able to see the slightest movement in this lagoon. Now, what's the difference in a lagoon and a pond? Not a damn thing. Yeah, except for one thing, and that is this salt water. And salt water and fresh water, there's a water between them called the lagoon. It's brackish, it's fresh salt, mostly fresh. if it gets blocked off, and some that are pretty salty because they never get blocked off. You want some that get blocked off sometimes and not others. This, and they are all long because they go along the coast. It's just continuous. So, I mean, before man's intervention, these things could have been hundreds of miles long. And they're at different scale. Like, you can go to the beach and find them little teeny ones and little pond ones. And that aren't long, they go the other direction. It's all, oh yeah, look. You see, that's where the monster is. See him? See him? Oh yeah, you can see the waves he's making. And when he comes here to eat us, we're gonna leave. There he is again.